Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 2. De fugimus visu ex sanguines, illi agmene certo, laeacunta petunt, et primum parva duorum, corpora naturam serpens amplexus uterque, implicat et miseros morsu dispicatur artus. We flee, bloodless, at the sight. Exsangues can also mean terrified. We flee terrified at the sight. Those seek Laocoon in a certain column. Illi referring to the snakes, the angues. And first, each serpent having wrapped around, having embraced, embraced, I think is the best word. Each serpent, having embraced these small bodies of two suns, wraps around them and feeds upon their wretched limbs with a bite. So the two suns here, duorum naturam, refer to Laocoon's two little boys. He has two sons, and the snakes, they seek Laocoon, but first they wrap themselves amplexus, having embraced the small bodies of the two sons. So the serpents first wrap themselves around the two sons. And you'll notice it's not in the same line, so it's technically not synthesis, but we do have A, B when you read these two lines together, which shows the wrapping around motion, in and out, weaving of the snakes around the bodies through the order of the words. And over here, it says it wraps around, or it entwines, it entangles, meaning each snake entangles perhaps itself, perhaps this is also taking the corpora parva, and it feeds upon the wretched limbs with a bite. So the snake doesn't just embrace them and wrap them around them kind of like a boa constrictor, it also bites them. Now up here it says, we flee, bloodless, terrified, at the sight. Remember, this is Aeneas talking, so he's like, we Trojans, we fled at the sight of these snakes. And then illi, as I said, refers to the angues, and they come in a certain line, so this has all been organized. They seek Laocoon.